Good morning, CS. Once again, welcome back to CS Python class. In the last class, we have learned the first part of function, where we have seen how to pass parameters, how to pass value of a variable, right? Hmm? Now, I had given you 3 hand-on experiment. I hope you might have done. Today we will go a little bit ahead. Today we'll see some mathematical functions, some modules, and we are going to do some experiment in maths. Okay, you will also love to see your maths being done in Python. Okay, so let's come back to the second topic, that is modules. Okay, so what are modules? Already we have seen here, seen the first one. uh, Here you see where you have declared that function consists of three types. It consists of three types. Already we know first one is built in type. Whatever statements you are writing in Python, that consists of built in type function, that already you know: input command, print command. Okay, then again data conversion. These all statements are built in. Okay, then come back to user define. In that user define, I had shown you first parameter passing. Okay, now one more class, after that I'll show you how to create customized user functions. Today we are going to see modules. Okay, this is the second part of function modules. So what are modules? Modules are what you can say, it's a continuous statements in Python files. Okay, which consist of different variables defined in separate files, but still you can make use of it in your main program. Are you getting me? So it is used where your program become lengthy, it's and complex. Then there is a need to split your main program into smaller segment, and that a smaller segment is known as what? Module. Are you getting me? You need not to worry about that. Everything is already being created in Python in library. You simply need to put that library in your main program and use it. Okay, and modules, what make the module the best in function here in Python, that its codes can be reused again and again. Okay, already that codes and statements are there in library file. You require to link it in your main file. So let's see. In that module, today topic deals with two things: mathematical function I'm going to teach you, and second one, random function I'm going to teach you. Very important, random. Okay, so in order to have a mathematical function, you just see, so you what mathematical function will do. What a mathematical function will do, it is going to make use of mathematical capabilities in your program. Okay, so here what is that? In this function you require to import it first. Okay, so here you see, are you getting here? Import mass. You require to import mass. Okay, see, I'm making it dark, more dark. Import mass. There are three statements here. One is import, one is from, and one is import from another program. So one by one I'm going to let you know. First I'm going to let you know import. So this mass is your that library function. You have to import any your project in your program, then only you'll be able to use the capabilities of programming, right? Okay, so I'm going to show some demonstration here, then only you'll be able to know. Okay, but before that I'm going to show it to you. I had see, this is your NCERT syllabus book. Okay, if you want, then I can give you this one, a link for this. Since I am unable to get this NCERT version 2020, because so many changes are there, I am having previous year one. So here function is being given in class 11, but now in 2020 function is there in class 12. Okay, so here you see, I'm going to show you, see, this one function can be categorized as belong to modules. Built-in function is your defined function. So this module we are learning today, understand? And here you also see a module is a file containing Python definition and statements. Statements library of Python is extended as a module as to a programmer, right? Now it is clear. Huh? Definition from the module can be used within the code of a program. Okay, right? Same thing. Import and from. So this one I'm going to teach you today. Import module name and okay. So what is required here to do? I'm going to show you just a minute. Here you see I am going in this. Okay, so I am going to show one very small demonstration. I don't know anything till now. Import. Suppose I don't know anything. Import math. Done. So now math library will come in my program here. Is that now anything I can do? Okay, suppose I want to put a what I square root, understand, of, so x equal to what to do, math. We have to use dot, means library dot. Okay, now what you have to do, see, this is coming here. Now you can do anything here. This is all your function. You need to learn one by one. Math dot, what you want here, square root, SQRT, square root. Square root of what you want? I suppose I want square root of 2. Is it done? Now I'm going to print it. Print x, right? You see 1.414 like that here. So this is line command I had given to you. I will show you in program also. So what we have done here, I am going to show it to you. Here you see we have done this import. Sorry, it's too big. What is that? Here you see this is import, not too thin. Sorry, let me adjust this marker first. Okay, I hope this is good. No, too big. Okay, this x, here you see import keyword math. What is this math? Math is the module, right? And this module we are going to carry here. Now I have taken a variable, that math module dot. In that module what I want a square root. So square root I had given square root of 2, and then I had printed x. So this is the way of making module in your program, right? Now one more, I'm going to show you, then it will be more clear. Suppose I want power. Okay, so I'm writing y equal to, okay, again module math dot pow, pow, not power, pow. Okay, let's suppose 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3 I am writing here. Done. So then I am going to write here print, I am writing here, what is that, y, just check it out, 27. Like this way you required to go through. I'm showing you the different types of math function. I think it is here, you see, check it out. CEIL function, it is going to return smallest integer which is not less than what, x. Are you getting? Here you see CL for minus 45.17. so what the smallest one, minus 45. Then floor, biggest one, just opposite of CEIL is what, floor. It return the largest integer not greater than x. Okay, then again fabs is there, it's written the absolute value. Exp, it written the exponential expression of x. Then log x, log 10x. This power, you see, just now we have used square root. Then cos x, more interesting, you can have a trigonometric function here, cos x, sin x, tan x. Then again you see degree, then radian, is it? Okay, so I want that these all you note in your copy and practice one by one each one. Okay, so degree x, it convert angle x to radian, tan x, it return the tangent of x in the radian, sine, cos, square root, power x, y. Clear? So one by one, what is that you require to do all these things, practice and put in the mind. Okay, I hope it is clear. No or yes? I'm going to show you one example here, how to make this mass function in your program. Suppose I'm going to create a function. Okay, I'm going to create a function. Let's see, let me open my program first. Okay, it is here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a new file here. Let's suppose definition. I am going to find, before definition, the first thing what I'm going to do, import math. Done. So my work is over here, because math is coming here now, not definition. Square root, SQRT. I am not writing a square SQRT because SQRT is what, keyword. Okay, function word, we can't use it. I am using a square root. You got clear what it is going to do? It is going to have a square root. Now it is going to, we can pass parameters here, square root. So what we are going to do, let's see. I am going down here, I am writing in main program, x equal to, I am writing here integer, integer I am not taking, I am taking float, because exact in points also it is going to accurate it. Okay, float, I am writing here input. Again I am giving a enter a number. Done. So x I had taken input. Now I want to send this x square to square root. So SQRT, I am sending this one here. That's done. This is my main program. This x is going here, so I am writing here this x. Are you getting me? Done. Now we require to find the square root of this x. For that, what we are going to do, I am going to take a variable y is equal to, now I am going to call math dot SQRT. Okay, square root. Then again I am going back here. I have to put the number is, what is that, x. Got done. Then I am going to write here print, what is that, I am going to write here print that the square root of is y. Okay, now square root done. I am going to run it, run the module. Let's check it out. Tell me any number. Let's suppose 3. I am writing a 3.0 because float number is here. Okay, yeah, you can write 3 also, no problem is here. No, it is telling error. Let me check it out. Okay, I did a mistake here. Yeah, this will be square root now, not SQRT. This will be square root. Yeah, why? Because this square root we have taken our user defined name. Okay, and this square root is the mass function there. Okay, so that should be correct. Again I'm going to run the module. Suppose 3, you just check it out. I had taken 3, but 3 will be converted to float, and see 1.732, this precise. Okay, this can be very easy. So what I did here, let me explain now here. Okay, what I did here, let me check the marker. Okay, correct. Here you see import mass. This is in three part. This one is the first part, this one is the second part, and this one is the third part. I had imported mass. This is the module. Then I had declare a function here, SQRT. You just say this is the function name. Okay, so in the main program, what I did, I had taken a variable x, and then I had taken an input here. Okay, then I am sending this input to what? Square root x. As SQRT is my user defined function, I am sending this argument x here. Now this x will go where? This x will go here. Okay, then here again I have taken a variable y inside this function here. Then I am calling this mass module dot. In that module, what function we want? Square root function we want. So we have taken square root, then x, and then I printed it out. I hope it is clear to you. So what is that? We what we did here, just see, we have called the module. We have created our user defined function. We are calling the function from the main program. So this is using function by calling module in your main program. Am I clear to you? Is it right? Okay, now just see something, some more else here. Here you see here. So what is that? In mass module, CEIL function you are required to do. You're required to do FOORX floor, then fabs, then you required to do exponential, you required to do log x. You read all these things, you will get it very easily what they are going to do. Log 10x, then again you require to do power, then you require to do square root of any number, then cos, then sine, then tan. Okay, let's see sine cos tan function, whether it is coming or not. Interesting. Let I'm going to make it. Yeah, what I'm going to put here, math dot what is that? Let's suppose tan. What is I am going to put here tan 3. Okay, then again I'm going to put here math dot tan 30. What is you check out the value whether this decimal is correct or not. Tan 30. Again I'm checking out here math dot tan 60. Just check it out. I hope your math is good to understand and why this minus and 0.32 is coming under like that. So root 3, 1 by root 3, these all things you do and check it out. Okay, are you getting me? Then now let's come back to the next one. What I want to let you know is a different type of function known as random module. One module you have seen, mass module. Second module is what? Random module. In this random module, we will see three functions in random integer, and uniform AB. Uniform AB will come in the next lecture here. Today we'll see random and random integer. So what the meaning of this random? Suppose you require two numbers, any integer, you can fill it, but I want to know system Python will generate that number for me, right? Any number, any arbitrary number for me. So that can be, that is a random. I am not going to enter in data, but system is going to generate that for me. For that, for making that random, you have to call this module. Okay, where is that? You have to import random. This random, we have done imports math, so like that here you have to do import random. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you. Okay, you see this is import, then I am going to see import random. Done. So now random module will come in your program. Now what I'm going to do here, that I want here also one thing, this will give you to select your random number from here to here like that. So you want random number till 100, then from 1 to 100 it will go. You want random number from 500 to 600, then from like that also you can do. That's it. So I'm going to show it to you. Okay, what is that? And see what I'm going to do, x equal to, see here, random random dot this random is going to have a function. Just check it out here. So I'm going to have a random range. You can check it out here. See random int random range. Are you getting coming here? Random range, random range. So now I want that my number will be in between 1 to 100, let's suppose. Okay, so this the value of x will be there from 1 to 100, any number will go. Okay, I am going to print. Done. See 34, it is in that range. Again I am writing here x equal to random dot, suppose you are knowing nothing, then you should wait, this should come, this menu should pop out. Okay, go down here, random range. Now I want random range from 1 to 5 only, let's suppose. Okay, then I'm going to write here print x. Are you getting 2? It is coming, right? So you have learned first thing, random range, that from 1 to up to what you want to print, then you can make a random range, right? It's very easy to use, you can use in your project. Okay, now second one, random. You can generate random number. Okay, random number in the sense random floating number from 0 to 1 only, not more than 1 point 0 point something 0 point number from 0 to 1. In between 0 to 1, if you want to generate any random number, then you what is that, you have to make random. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you. X equal to random dot, see a second, first one random, x random dot random. Okay, then I am going to put a bracket here. Random is fixed, it will put a random floating point from 0 to 1 only, not more than that. I am going to have a print x. Random object at, once again I am doing this one, x equal to random dot random. Okay, then print x, it should print. Okay, here I did, here this is capital I did here. Are you finding? Let's check here. This is capital, this is capital, and here I did a small, so that's the error here coming. Okay, no problem in that. So now come back to next one. So you understood, from you want random number from, I can write here, suppose again I am writing here x equal to okay, then again I am writing here print x. Are you getting? See, every time here you check it out, 0.06 here, 0.08, it is always between 1 to 0 to 1, right? You understand? So this random function, you understand, one is random range, 1 to that number what you are writing in between. This one is already fixed, random range from 0 to 1, right? Are you getting what I'm telling to you? So now here mm, let do one very small project here to make a random. uh, Again you see one more thing, x equal to one more module is here, random dot. That is also very interesting. Here you see downside. mm, yeah, random integer. Okay, now this is interesting here. Random integer is going to print a random integer in between what you are going. Suppose I want a random integer between 5 and 9 only. In between 5 and 9 I want a random integer, so that will go in x. I am writing here print, I am writing here x. Just check, line is coming. Again same thing. If I am going to do again same command I am going to repeat. Okay, and then again I am going to write here print x c5. It's coming. And again same I am going to return. No, I want in between 500 to 900. Okay, then again I am writing here print x, check 801. Okay, random range from 1 to that number. Okay, random 0 to 1, random integer from here to here, custom define. Okay, what is this custom define? You are making just you are making the range here. You just check your range from here to here, right? But here you can't do so. Clear? Okay, now let's see. Now one program is here. Let's do it. You have to put some random values in a list. Already I taught you. So now we are going to make a function, and that function is going to fill a list with random values. Okay, so for that, what is that? We require a list. We require how many values will be there in the list, and you want this range from where to where you want. Okay, right? You can do so. So what I'm going to do, I am going to take a new file. Okay, and I am going to write here import random. Okay, then again I am going here. I am going to have a definition for that. Definition, I am right here fill. Okay, what to be filled here, that will decide later on. I am going to write here in the main program here max value, max equal to, I am writing here maximum range integer. I am going to write here enter a maximum range c. Okay, maximum range will go here, and then I am writing here one more thing, integer input. Okay, done. So now same thing I am going to do here in minimum form, and here also I am going to do in minimum form. Maximum, minimum I got from where to where I am going to put the value in the list. Okay, one more. I am going to put here, let's suppose n is the limit. I am not typing, I am copying. Okay, I am going to put here n enter the limit. Pencil 5 elements will be there, or 10 elements will be there, like that. And range also, 3 things to declare. Now I am going to define a list, blank list. Now I am going to call this field. So in that field, what I am going to call, I am going to send a, I am going to send n for limit, I am going to send here max value, I am going to send here minimum value, right? Okay, to the function. it will go here. So I'm going to copy this arguments as same, okay, and I'm going to put it here. Done. Okay, now see, it's very easy. Now I should run a for loop. Okay, for I in range. Range means what? From where to where? Tell me. I in the range. You have taken input here now, and I want 5 element, then 5 element will go or not? Say yes. Yeah. Okay, now I am going to call here a dot, what is that? Append. C class level, in that we have done a dot append. What it is going to append here? Now I am going to put here r a n d o m random, what I want, dot, yeah, what is random integer. Now random integer will go from where to where? Okay, that here I am writing minimum to maximum. Okay, I'm just see max is coming here, max and minimum are I think keywords. Okay, so I'm going to put here what I'm going to put here, let's suppose x we have taken somewhere. No, x is the maximum and y is the, no, I'm taking x to y, so y it will be more feasible. Good. Maximum is what? Maximum is y and minimum is what? X. Maximum is what? Y. Minimum is what? X. Here I am writing here from x to y. And so now keyword problem solved. Now I am going to write here after this one it will come back to the main program here. You can print there also. I am printing here. Print, what I am going to print here? Print here a. Okay, so it consists of 3 things here. Let me run this and check it out whether random list. I am saving here. Save. Then yeah, enter the maximum range. Suppose in that list I want that from 3 to 9 or 5 to, or you take 2 to 15. Is that 2 to 15? So maximum range is 15. Maximum range I am putting here 15. Minimum range I am putting here from, let's suppose 3 to 15 value will go in that list, and I am going to limit the list. I am going to put 6. There should be 6 element in the list. 6 element. Minimum value can be 3 and maximum value can be 15. In between random list will be there. So now you check, it has filled my list 15, 5, 13, 10, 5, 4. Are you getting? Huh? Once again I am starting, and again something else we are going to do. Now maximum range I am putting here, maximum range is 500. Minimum range is what? 200. So from 200 to 500 list will go, and I am putting the limit here 10. Just check it out. My list automatically randomly it has arranged random values in that list. Isn't good? So this is Python. Here you check it out. This one. This is from 200 to 500. All the values are between this. Just check it out. Neither less, neither more. 10 elements, 10 elements are here. Here you check 3 to 15. All the values you see, all the values are between these two. 6 elements. You understood? Okay, so what this program is about? Just check. Import random. This is your main program. Okay, this one is your definition function. Here I taken 3 input, maximum, minimum, range, because I have to put it here random integer. Already we have discussed. Okay, this, and I am putting limit here for this how much time that list can enter a number. Then I declare a blank list. Then I am going to call the function. This fi double is my function name, function incoming, having 4 arguments here: a, list, and is the limit, y and x is the maximum and minimum range. So here list, limit, maximum, minimum range. I am putting a for loop because already I taught you in class 11. List continuous arrangement of memories will require looping structure. So this is looping, right? So looping starts from I in the range where up to n it will go. Now it is going to append. A dot append is a function with the list. A dot append, what is that? Random dot random integer. Random integer from where to where? From x to y. Random dot random integer xy. You got clear? Understand? See it nicely. Very good program. I want that you will practice this program at home. Okay, you will practice this program. Then if you have a system, you practice one by one all. Okay, and here we just check it out. I want to go here, and after making all these things, I am giving today 3 hand-on experiment. First, what is that? Math module and random module. Whatever statements are there, whatever functions are there in the math module, we will do line by line by using some random values. Okay, and in random module, 3 things we have learned. One is random, random range, random int. So you are going to practice, and after that you will do this 3 hand-on experiment. First one is complete complete all math function by taking any arbitrary value. All the math functions you have to do. Second one, input an integer in the main program and print it square root in the function square root. You got clear? The next one again, here you go write a Python program that fills a list with random number. Okay, that's it. What I had done just now, I had shown to you. So these 3 you require to do, and an experiment. Make yourself ready. In the next lecture, we are going to deal with some user-defined function, right? And we are going to complete it. Then I'm going to give you a list of all the practicals in function. Okay, you require to write these notes in your copy systematically as we are doing so in the same copy. And regarding practicals, I require that keep it blank. Do these all labs. Okay, later on I will release a list of practicals. Let's see what syllabus, new syllabus is going to be. Okay, that's all for today's class. It's not to say goodbye. Do take care, is it? We'll meet soon. Okay, God bless.